Hi friends, a stock is 20% up today and 20% down tomorrow. So what happened? Has the stocks all of a sudden become bad? No, the answer is that this is the activity of speculative market, and a long-term investor should never be misguided by those. A long-term investor, what should he do? He should find great stock with amazing competitive moat and invest them at the right price and for longer term. And believe me, this is the only thing which is required, and anyone with a 10th pass certificate can create massive wealth in the long term. There is no rocket science. It's as simple as that. What is important over here is that to find great stocks with amazing competitive moat, and in this video we'll be talking about 3 stocks where competitive moat is present. So very important video. Please watch it completely, then only it will be useful for you. If you love reels and if you want to just leave after 2-3 minutes, thank you very much for coming over here. This channel is specially made only for serious long-term investors. If you are one, please continue. Welcome to my channel. Let's start Sagarnomics of 3 competitive strength companies. So well, we should start the analysis right now, and the first stock comes on your screen in a minute only. But before we proceed, I just request you to like this video right now, because after the video gets completed, most of the people forget about it, right? So please like it right now, and also if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my next research based video. With that, let's begin with the first stock. So here is the first stock on your screen, Solar Industries India Limited. Now, may I request you to just pause the video for a minute and let me know in the comment section what this company must be doing. Obviously, solar. Well, since you have written in the comment, let me tell you that this company has nothing to do with solar. Surprised? This company is in the explosive sector. So what does this company do? This company does all kind of dynamite and all type of things where the explosives are required. So this company is the largest domestic manufacturer of bulk and cartridge explosives, detonators, detonating cords and components which finds applications in where? Mining, infrastructure and construction industries. So there is no role of solar except the name over here. Well, coming to the numbers, so 1 lakh crore rupees is the market cap of the company, and as you can simply see that this company, the price is 11,000 rupees, not affordable by most of the investors, but I am just going to give you the business background of the company, because the company tomorrow may split and the price may collapse to some 6,000 or something. Anyways, so dividend payout, we can say 9.2%, dividend yield is 0.08%. That means company is giving dividend. Problem is that company's stock price is 110. My god, this is too much, and I should say that at this point the price is a little higher. ROC is 32, very impressive. ROE is very impressive. PEG ratio, this makes the company a little expensive. You should not invest on this point and should wait for the some major corrections in the price. Sales growth 19%, but the profit growth is higher than that. That makes the company is profitable and making the operating profit margin higher and higher, right? Well, so promoters is having 73% full control completely. Petrovsky score is 7 out of 9, which is again good, right? Now coming to the part where we should be seeing its results. So simply see that latest results are yet to be announced, but sales has actually moved 6 times in these 3 years. You can simply see 1,000 crore to 6,000 crore. Why not? Everybody needs those explosives now. Old buildings which needs to be dismantled, plus the mining, that means the coal mines and all those, everywhere the explosives are required. Even in the Rohit Shetty's movies you will find so much scope for the explosives. So jokes apart, 17% operating profit margin has reached up to 25%. That means around 50% rise in the operating profit margin in last 3 years, which is Really impressive. Coming to the shareholding pattern, you simply see that all the foreigners love this stock by holding 7% approximately. All the domestic investors love the stock by holding 12 to 15%, right? And the public like you and me are having 5-6%, and we think that we will make a lot of difference by buying some 100 stocks or so. That doesn't happen. That is just like, nothing actually. Anyways, let's look at the technicals. So technicals, one sec. So here is the daily chart of solar industries, and you can simply see that it is continuously making high highs, and these high highs are very consistent in nature. The only thing is that what matters is that the curvature has gone a little down. That simply means that there may be some price correction in coming days, but that can be an opportunity for the people who want to invest in such stocks. RSI is in the middle, and the divergence of RSI is at present not very clear. It means it is rising but not significantly rising. So I think that the stock's price should be under pressure for some time, and you may get an opportunity at around 10,888, and after that you can consider that. But anyways, the buying such a high price stock is your choice, but business model I told you is a very special one. Let's talk about the second stock. Second stock is Polycon. Now everybody knows what is Polycon. Polycab, not Polygon. Polycab India. Now this is 7,000 rupees is the stock price, 7430. 1,11,000 crore rupees. What does the company do? What is its moat? The moat is that this company is the market leader. Kitna bada leader? I'll just show you. I'll just show you the type of leader it is. Now look at here. In Hindi we call it koi nahi hai chakkar ke pade ho kis chakkar mein, koi nahi hai takkar mein. I'll just show it to you. That means there is no competition. Look at this. This company's market cap is 1,11,000 crore rupees, and the next big company, is KI Industry with 41,000 crore market cap only. That means almost 1/3 of the size of this company. So that makes this company especially competitive. It gives it a competitive moat because this company is a powerful brand, plus it has a powerful distribution network. So if you go to any electricity shop, you will easily find Polycab wires and cables over there. So now you know that this company makes wires and cables, right? So it is one of the largest suppliers. Plus it is in the it's also in the field of electrical products, just like fans, switches, switch gears, LED lights, etc. Coming to its technical chart. So here you see one-day chart of, or I should say daily chart of Polycab India, and a range bound movement you can simply see from where? From this part, one sec. So from 5th July to 30th of September, this company has moved in a range, and after that, that range has been broken. And you can simply see that this consolidation has was broken on 27th of September, and from that company has given breakout and started moving upwards. So the price is in the rising mode, and it should within some time, I think the next level should be around at 7,800. But if the stock corrects a little bit, then the next support it should find at 6,490. Right? And there is a small chance that the price can collapse because the RSI is already above 70, in the 60-70 range, and it is overbought range, so it may see a selling pressure in coming days for some time, but speculators can do anything anytime. But overall competitive moat, you might have got an idea right now. Okay, and let's move to the third stock. And before we move to the third stock, let me just tell you one more thing, is that say there are so many friends who want to know the latest happenings in the market, plus the wisdom based analysis of the stocks and the potential profitable stocks in the coming time. If you want that kind of information, because knowledge is everywhere available, but the only thing is that you need wisdom, you just don't need knowledge. Then if you want that, then please try subscribing to our membership, where I'll be sharing useful insights over there. So there are 3 levels of membership. You can watch the promo video. So first click on the join button under this video, and then watch the promo video and join a membership, right? It's at a chai samosa, tea samosa kind of price per month only. Plus second thing is, there are so many of my friends who have come in the market and they have done so many mistakes also, but they don't know what is the right way of selecting good stocks. So for you, we have created a very powerful, very easy and very useful practical masterclass called Stock Selection Masterclass, where using the Boolean logic and certain framework, you can create a stock portfolio within say 30-40 minutes only with powerful stocks. So if you want that kind of things, want to save time and create your own portfolio, select the stocks, please try to join our stock selection masterclass. The link of both these things is given in the pinned comment as well as in the description box. So you click the link and join the masterclass, right? So let's continue with the third stock. With that, so third stock over here on the screen is Bharat Electronics, BEL. Now you would be saying, so far you would be saying, sir, you are telling me the stock, telling us the stocks of say 11,000 rupees, then there is 7,000 stocks rupees stock. How can somebody, an average person, can invest that much of amount? So can you suggest some stock under the 500 rupees? So considering that, this is the stock in front of you. So you can simply see Bharat Electronics, 288 rupees price. It may be more or less when you watch the stock, this video. But the best part is that the stock price is only 288, but the market cap is 2,10,000. That means that previous two stocks you have seen 11,000, 7,000 rupees stock price. They were, if you combine the market cap of both those companies, Solar as well as the Polycab, then you will come close to the Bharat Electronics Limited's market cap, right? So 2,10,000 crore. Well, stock PE is around 49, which is slightly expensive, but considering the company's unique positioning, this is nothing. Now the most important thing is that the numbers, ROC is 34 and ROE is 26. For a common investor who want to invest for long term, ROE should be one of the most important factor. And anything above 15-20 is absolutely great number, right? So this company gets very good marks over here. Now you'd be asking, what does this company do? I think BEL almost everybody knows, but I just want to tell you, this company is basically into it comes under the Ministry of Defense. And what does it do? It does all the Indian defense electronics needs. What does it do? Multi-technology conglomerate. It's a multi-technology conglomerate. What does it do? It provides control systems, missile systems, communication and C4I systems, electronic warfare and avionics. You might remember that now what Israel has done to Hamas and Hezbollah and others. You see those pager attacks and all those. This is the electronic warfare which we have experienced recently, and which is the future of warfare, right? And this company fits very well into that space. So anti-submarine system, electro-optics, tank electronics, gun upgrades, everything. Currently 65,000 crore rupees of order book is in its pocket. What is the sales? Sales is just 20,000 crore rupees. That means 3 years of sales, the orders equivalent to 3 years of sales is already in its pocket. If the company doesn't sell a dime, still for 3 years it can flourish, right? But the company is making new and new contracts with other clients and capturing new market and new businesses very quickly, very rapidly. Coming to the numbers, so you simply see that the Petrovsky score is 9 out of 9. That means simply 100% marks, which is amazing. Plus you can simply see the company is a debt-free company, 0.00% debt. So it's a absolutely fantastic company. Now, if you are a long-term investor, I think this company should be on your radar. Coming to this part where we see its profit and loss. So you can simply see that the company has from 6,000 to 20,000, it has grown 3 times in these 10 years. Profit margin, earlier it was only 11%, but because of the premiumization and heavy spend on R&D, the company has managed to achieve 25% profit margin. So that makes the company a highly profitable company. Looking at the shareholder pattern, you can simply say that around 50% is with the government, promoter is mainly government, 17% FIAs are holding, and 20% DIIs are holding, and 11% people like you and me are holding, and we think that we will make some buying and selling and the stock price will collapse or rise. No. We are nothing. There are giant sharks sitting over there. So what we know is, what we should do is just understand the game of those sharks, ride on that wave and make profit. Very simple. Let's talk about the technical analysis. So here on your screen you are seeing the Bharat Electronics Limited, its chart, its daily chart, and you can simply see that it's in a consolidation phase for some time. So from July 24, that means, one sec, approximately over here, from July 24 to October, I mean till now, it's a little downward journey. It's on that path, plus it is consolidating. So speculators are making money by just betting 0.5% or 1% bet or something like that. But for a long-term investor, this looks like a flag pattern, and that simply shows that if this stock breaks say 300 level and stays above that for say 3-4 sessions or more, then it should continue on a bullish path, and that path should go for a longer time horizon, maybe some years. Okay, if we look at the weekly chart, we can simply see that it's a consistently high highs and high lows kind of pattern. And you see RSI on the weekly chart, you can simply say that right now it is in the middle of the entire range, and it should be going a little upwards from here, right? So with that, I think let's wrap up with the today's video. I hope you might have liked, you might have found something valuable over here, and if you find even 1% value in this video, I'll request you to please share this knowledge with so many other fellows and friends of yours. They would be thankful for sharing valuable content rather than those reels and other things, right? Second thing, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And which is the best stock you like out of 3? Please let me know in the comments. I'll be coming to you next time in a new video. Till then, please take care. And yes, one more thing, this is purely an educational video. There is no stock buying selling recommendation from our side. I suggest you to do your homework, keep researching, and then finding great stocks. With that, thank you very much. I'll be meeting you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Jai Hind.